The Enforcement Directorate, or ED, on Wednesday, May 27, 2026, raided the houses of former Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan in Kannur and Thiruvananthapuram. The raids are being viewed as a major escalation in the long-running CMRL payoff case involving his daughter, Veena, and her now-defunct IT firm, Exalogic Solutions. But what exactly is the CMRL case? How did it begin? And who are the key accused? Let's break it down. At the center of the controversy is Cochin Minerals and Rutile Limited, or CMRL, a private company involved in mineral and mining operations. According to investigators, between 2017 and 2021, CMRL allegedly paid monthly retainers to Exalogic Solutions, a company owned by Veena, the former Kerala Chief Minister's daughter. Exalogic Solutions Private Limited is a Bengaluru-based IT company founded in 2014. It mainly operated as a software-as-a-service or SaaS company, developing management and consultancy platforms for educational institutions and businesses. The allegation is that these payments were made without any actual consultancy work or services being delivered. The Serious Fraud Investigation Office, or SFIO, which functions under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, investigated the financial transactions. According to the SFIO's final complaint, CMRL paid around 2.7 crore rupees to Veena and Exalogic as retainers for IT and marketing consultancy services. The agency alleges that the arrangement was fraudulent and mainly used to transfer money. The investigation also brought focus to another company called Empower India Capital Investments Private Limited, or EICIPL. Empower India Capital Investments Private Limited is a private limited company based in Kochi, Kerala. It operates in areas such as financial services, advisory, and investment management. Investigators allege that EICIPL became part of the money trail because it had given loans to Exalogic, which were later allegedly repaid using funds received from CMRL. This company was run by Sasidharan Kartha, who was also the managing director of CMRL and is listed as the first accused in the case. According to the SFIO, Exalogic had taken two loans of 25 lakh rupees each from EICIPL in 2015 and 2016. The first loan was reportedly not repaid on schedule. Despite that, a second loan was sanctioned. Investigators say the money later received by Exalogic from CMRL was used to repay these loans. In simple terms, the SFIO alleges that funds from a publicly held company, CMRL, were diverted to settle liabilities linked to a private company. The agency claims this caused financial loss to CMRL and amounted to fraud under the Companies Act. The SFIO complaint also points to email exchanges between the companies regarding invoice generation and payment processing, rather than discussions about actual consultancy work. The agency alleges this indicates collusion between Veena and Sasidharan Kartha. The case was booked under Section 447 of the Companies Act, which deals with fraud. Under the law, fraud includes acts involving deception, concealment, or abuse of position to gain undue advantage or cause harm to a company or its stakeholders. In the SFIO complaint, Sasidharan Kartha was listed as the first accused, while Veena was named as the 11th accused. The agency also named Exalogic Solutions, CMRL, and EICIPL among the accused entities in the case. The matter then moved to the Kerala High Court. In April 2025, the Kerala High Court ordered a 2-month status quo on the proceedings in the SFIO's final complaint, while legal challenges in the case continued. But even as the legal battle continued, another agency entered the picture. The Enforcement Directorate received a copy of the SFIO complaint to examine whether the alleged transactions also involved money laundering. On March 27, 2024, the ED registered an Enforcement Case Information Report, or ECIR, in connection with the alleged payoff controversy. This was significant because it marked the first major ED probe directly linked to Veena in this case. The ED's role is different from the SFIO. While the SFIO investigates corporate fraud and violations under the Companies Act, the ED examines whether any proceeds of crime were generated and later laundered under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, or PMLA. In simple terms, the ED is now trying to determine whether the money involved in the alleged fraudulent transactions was illegally routed, concealed, or used in a way that amounts to money laundering. Earlier this year, the Special Court in Kochi took cognizance of the SFIO's final complaint after observing that a prima facie case existed against the accused, including Veena. Then came another major development. On May 26, 2026, the Kerala High Court gave the ED the go-ahead to continue its probe into the alleged financial transactions between Exalogic and CMRL. Just a day later came the ED raids at properties linked to Pinarayi Vijayan. The case has now become one of the biggest political and financial controversies in Kerala in recent years. Not only because it involves the daughter of a former chief minister, but also because multiple central agencies are now investigating the same set of transactions.